So Abdul and I just had a long conversation about service mesh as it relates to observability.
Basically, it's a component that you install on your infrastructure to add intelligence to your network layer. That's the TLDR of what the service mesh is. So you see there, we have two pods, which are service A, two pods on the bottom, which are service B. Kubernetes traditional non-service mesh implementation, you create service B, which is the rectangle in the bottom. That gives you an IP address, it gives you a DNS entry, and it gives you a load balancer. So if the caller is A, then A would call service B through its IP address, and that will resolve to one of the pods behind it. And that service also gives you an IP address, which acts as a load balancer. So that's traditional non-service mesh communication. If you add a service mesh, you inject these little squares that we have inside each pod, which are your sidecars. This is in the sidecar implementation. And those act as a client-side load balancer kind of thing, where the Kubernetes service is still used for service discovery, but the actual communication is sidecar to sidecar. Each of those sidecars have a full in-memory routing table of the IP addresses of all the other sidecars. And so as your application is trying to make a call to another application, it will be intercepted by the sidecar, and the sidecar will do security, traffic control, all the stuff that service mesh does, and then spit out the traffic to the other side. And then it will be received by sidecar on the other side, do the things it needs to do, and route traffic to the destination.